Alright guys, and run this for Bobblehead Jake. He's got the two Wisconsin Badger bobbleheads here. Melvin Gordon and Ron Dane. Winner takes both. Hold on a sec here. Here's the list. The full list, 22 spots at 5. Winner takes both. We're going to type live here on the post. It is 1:39 p.m. We're going to type live. We are live 1:39 p.m. and 1:39 p.m. I grabbed the list already. 22 spots. Drop it into random. We got 22 entries. Tim on the bottom. Tim on top. We're going to roll 2 dice. 5 or higher. 4, that's not high enough. We're going to roll again. And we have a 9. 9 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times. Dice shows a 9. Next click wins. Good luck. And 9. Congrats to Doug, spot 21. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake and get your bobbleheads. We are done. 1:40 p.m. We'll go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 1:40 p.m. 1:40 p.m. Timestamp and verification.